What's up everyone, Alan Morrow here and welcome to this mastering tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how I would master the track that we've been making in the Ableton Live Trance Track start to finish course. I'm going to be showing you the full process of the master. So that way you're going to be able to see, what it looks like when it's pre-mastered, in the pre-mastering stage, what it looks like when it's mastered. You can also check that out on the website as well. You can have a listen to what it sounds like when it's pre-mastered and when it's actually mastered. So I'll be showing you the full process and my full mastering chain and the different things that I do throughout the process, and obviously explain to you everything I'm doing and actually why I'm doing it. We'll be looking at sort of, EQ, compression, limiting. I'll be showing you some limiting techniques that I do to create louder mixes. I'll also be showing you what I master my tracks to in terms of levels and LUFS. I'll also be going over the stereo imaging and all the other things that go along with mastering. So if you're wondering why you might want to obviously learn to master, well, obviously you have the benefits of having full control of your track. You can save yourself some money. But one of the major benefits that I see of mastering your own track is you can then go back and really sort of improve your mixdown according to your master. Your master will say a lot about your mixdown. So if you know how to master your own tracks, you can then go in, give it a master, then come back to your mix down and do little tweaks here and there. That way then, if you do use a mastering engineer, for example, for the final master, which I would recommend, you can then send him the perfect pre-master where you've done all your tweaks before he's mastered it, rather than send it to him, he mastered it, and then you go back and go, oh, I wish I'd tweaked this here or there a couple of dB, or I wish I'd changed that. So there is huge benefits to learning to master, obviously, yourself, and then seeing how that sort of, changes your track and what you can do beforehand and obviously after. So if you are looking to learn how to master your own tracks and see the benefits of doing that, then be sure to check out this tutorial at alanmorrowstudios.com. Thanks a lot for watching.